Alright, let's try this again. That last video still had crappy resolution, so I turned off image stabilization. Let's see if that makes any difference. It's hard for me to really tell through the viewfinder, whatever you want to call this, because it looks clear, but when the video actually processes, it's still crappy. Let's try over this way. From what I'm seeing, that looks a lot better, but let's get it posted up to YouTube and see what really happens. Alright. So far, it appears that turning off the image stabilization seems to make it a lot better, which is kind of weird, I guess. It's not, I don't know, it's just weird. Anyway. Alright, I'm going to upload this and see what it actually looks like once it's up to the web.